Hi there, and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage the Revolut module for your online store. Let's begin right now. First, make sure the Revolut module is installed from the App Shop. Once that's done, go to your admin panel and open Modules, then Payment and Online. Next, choose the sales channel you want to configure. In this example, we'll be working with the Watch Sales channel. Now, find the Revolut module in the list and click Edit to open its settings. In the Settings section, start by enabling the module. Simply set the status to True. Then choose the payment zone that fits your business, for example, None, All World, EU, or USA. From the drop-down menus, select the appropriate Preparing order status, canceled order status after that. Decide whether payments should be processed on the live production server or in the sandbox testing environment. Next, enter the production API secret key provided by Revolut. You can also set the sort order to control where Revolut Pay appears in your list of payment methods at checkout. Once the main settings are complete, move on to the restrictions. Here, you can limit Revolut availability to specific customer groups, countries, or even selected website pages. Then enter the required module name for both the backend and frontend, using your preferred language. When everything looks as needed, click Update to save your changes. Now let's see how Revolut works on the storefront. Open the Watch storefront and choose a product. Add it to your basket, then head to the cart. Click Pay with Card. Fill in the shipping details. From the payment options, select Sandbox Revolut. Make sure to tick the box to accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy, then click Confirm and Pay. On the next step, you can choose either Revolut Pay or Pay with Card. If you select Revolut Pay, you'll see several payment options. Pay using a QR code, sign in and pay in the browser, or check out as a guest. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment using either option. Once the payment is successful, you'll be redirected to a success page, and a confirmation email will be sent automatically. Finally, let's check the order in the admin panel. Go to Orders Customers, then open the Orders tab. Here, you'll find all Revolut transactions listed together with your other orders. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. Your feedback inspires us to keep creating helpful content. See you in the next video.